Welcome to the grammar lesson on adjectives and the order of adjectives. This is the grammar part given in 6th class Unit 6 Reading A under grammar part. Adjective is one of the parts of speech. Let us define adjective first. An adjective is a word qualifying a noun. Just look at this example. The big cat was naughty. So what is the noun here first? Cat. And how is the cat? A big cat. So the word big is qualifying or adding additional information to the noun cat. Let us look at one more example. A blue cap. Cap is the noun and the word blue is adding some information to the word or the noun cap. And usually an adjective comes before a noun. So just to recap, an adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. It describes or modifies a noun. Hope you understood. We cannot write different adjectives as we like. We need to take care while writing these adjectives in proper order. The position of the adjectives depends on how closely they are related to the noun. Though there is no such hard and fast rule, the following guidelines can be really helpful. More than one adjective can be used to describe the noun. What is the noun? A person, place, thing, or an animal. So, today let us learn adjectives and their order in a phrase. What is the order? Here let us take one example. Usha was a tiny village girl. She was an extremely bright student. Here I have underlined few words in the sentence. So these underlined words are describing Usha. Usha was a tiny village girl. Tiny and village. She was an extremely bright student. And the word bright is qualifying or adding more information to the noun Usha. So here are few tips to follow to arrange different adjectives in a phrase. And first of all, what is a phrase? A group of words which do not have a noun or a verb. So in such a phrase, we can follow, this order to arrange different adjectives. First, the quality, then the color, then comes the age, size, shape, and some others. Here is the table provided for better understanding. So the adjectives, different adjectives used in a phrase can be arranged in this order. This can be very helpful while arranging the words in a sentence. First comes the determiners. So what are the determiners? Determiners can be articles like a and the, demonstratives like this, that, and then comes the possessives, mothers, hers, her, his, and so on. And then comes the quality of the noun, and then the size, age, shape of the noun, and the color and origin. Then comes the past participle, if any verb. And then comes the material, which type, what kind, and so on. And lastly, the noun. So about this noun is all these words used. They are called as adjectives. And if we frame a sentence with these words, here is the sentence. It is Rani's beautiful, old, brown, Indian, handmade, wooden table. Students, here, table is the noun. It is Rani's, and in between the words beautiful, old, brown, Indian, handmade, wooden, 6 adjectives are used. Of course, it is really very difficult to put them in order, but if we follow these guidelines, these may be really helpful in framing correct sentences. Let us try to rewrite the sentences which are incorrect. Incorrect because of the wrong arrangement of the words in the phrase. First, let us try to identify the adjective phrase. So look at this first example. Usha was born at mother's old her farm house. So the words in the underlined part are the adjectives, and it can be called as adjective phrase. So they are not in proper order. We understand that because the sentence seems to be incorrect. So let us try to write the correct sentence. And to write the correct sentence, we need to arrange this adjective phrase in a proper order. And just now we have learned from the table how to put these words in order. So first, let us bring the determiner to the first position. And the first determiner here is her. That is the possessive word her. And then another possessive word mothers. Her mothers. And then we have seen in the table comes the age. And here it is old. So now, after writing these words in such order, let us try to read the sentence, whether the sentence gives a beautiful meaning. Usha was born at her mother's old farmhouse. Isn't it meaningful, students? So this is the way you need to arrange different adjectives in the adjective phrase in a proper order. So let us go through one more example for better understanding. And it is again about Usha only. Usha is dark, little, a shy girl. Again, here are the words underlined. The words are adjectives qualifying the word noun girl. This is the adjective phrase, but the words or the adjectives are not in proper order. So we know the order. So now let us try to put them in proper order. Usha is a little dark, shy girl. Why did we make this arrangement? Yes, we know from the table. First comes the determiner, that is the article here, a. And then second comes the size, little. Third, the color, dark. And lastly, the material in the sense type or kind. She is a shy type of girl, shy. So this is the way which helps us to rearrange these adjectives in a proper order for correct meaning of the sentence. So try to go through the remaining sentences in your textbook given in page number 84 and 85. And any doubts, please contact. Thank you.